This is Force 13's Australia Oceania channel with the latest for Tuesday the 5th of March. On the screen is a look at supercell probability from 1300 hours through to the same period tomorrow. Bureau Meteorology New South Wales has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for large hailstones damaging winds. The warning is now current for the metropolitan, Illawarra, Central Tableland forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms may produce large hailstones damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours. These areas: Penrith, Wollongong, Bower, Campbelltown, Springwood and Belpin. And we have a look at storm probabilities and the percentages. And this is out to about 2000 hours tomorrow. Bureau Meteorology New South Wales has a strong wind warning for the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Bureau Meteorology New South Wales details severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorms in the warning area have temporarily eased. Further severe thunderstorms remain possible and the situation is being closely monitored and further detailed warnings will be issued. And the latest instability. Bureau Meteorology has a strong wind warning for the remainder of today for the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Strong wind warning will be in place for the Sydney Coast waters, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast for a Wednesday, and I've cancelled the one for the Macquarie coast. South Australia has a strong wind warning for the Adelaide Metro waters, the Central South Central coast. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall 12 hourly 24-hour outlook. The Spencer Gulf St Vincent's investigating Strait, the upper southeast and lower southeast coast. And for Wednesday, lower southeast coast. Now no warnings up there in the Northern Territory, Tasmania, Storm Bay, lower east southeast coast, and cancellation far northwest and the upper east coast. Rainfall scale right hand side of the screen. The scene becomes interesting from day 1 through to day 8. And there's no activity in the Coral Sea, however. The tropical scene is starting to develop. The tropical cyclone outlook for the northern region, including the Gulf and Carpentaria, shows whilst there's no significant tropical lows in the region, a weak monsoon trough is forming over the northern Arafura Sea, and on Friday a low may start to form within the trough. Bureau Meteorology Victoria has issued or has in place a severe thunderstorm warning. And in the longer term, the low over the northern Arafura Sea is expected to track slowly to the southwest and may develop slowly. And the severe thunderstorm warning, damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the northeast parts of the East Gippsland, the northern country, north central, west south Gippsland forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce damaging winds, heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours, and locations which may be affected: Wodonga, Wangaratta, Corryong, Bright Falls Creek and Omeo. And the next update will be around 1900 hours daylight saving time. And this is a view of the live webcam looking down over the casino, Crown Casino, and this is the warning currently, or the area under the current warning. Bureau Meteorology over in Perth, monsoon trough with an embedded weak lows currently lies between Christmas Island and Cocos Island. The trough is forecast to drift slowly south and weaken over the next couple of days, and unlikely to result in the development of a tropical cyclone. It will cause increased shower and thunderstorm activity near Christmas Island, with moderate to heavy falls possibly until Thursday. Now we have a look at various models. In the longer term, there is also the chance of another tropical low developing just south of Bali over the next few days, then move west. It's also unlikely to develop into a tropical cyclone over the next 3 days. However, whilst it moves closer to Christmas Island on Sunday and the Cocos Islands on Monday or Tuesday, which will result in an increase in thunderstorm activity and winds. Also in the longer term, a monsoon trough is forecast to develop to the north of Australia. A tropical low could develop in the trough to the north of the Northern Territory later in the week, moving west-southwest. This increases the risk of a tropical cyclone to northern Western Australia next week, and the models are actually indicating that something could be about to develop.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name, Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.